I'm going to help you master the needle threader for your Pfaff sewing machine. So here's a little trick. Number one, when the presser foot is up, the thread pulls out of the machine really easy. So if you want a little extra room down here, lower the presser foot. That also puts a little tension on the thread, might make it a little easier if you're having any difficulties. So next, the needle threader, when it's pulled down, you're going to bring it down about halfway and then bring the thread around this little hook on the left side. Bring the needle threader down all the way and then push down. So you need to be very gentle but firm. So that whole little area needs to come around the needle. Now, a lot of you can't see it, but there is a little tiny hook that comes through and will be pulling the thread through the eye. Now, if you think of how small that little piece of metal is to get through that eye of the needle, he is very, very small. He also can get bent a little to the side, so if you're trying to use it and it's not working, it might just be bent. The other thing to use and master your needle threader is so you can check to make sure when you put a new needle in that it's at the highest position, because if you come down and this doesn't line up with the hole of the needle, that means your needle might not be at the correct place. Now notice one other thing when I'm doing this. As I'm coming through to the little groove, I'm lifting up. I'm not pushing back, I'm just lifting up gently, and then I'm also letting go of my right hand over here to let the needle threader pull the loop through the eye. And that is pretty much some of the basics, but if you ever break it or bend it, if you can't get it back yourself, have your local Pfaff store take care of it for you, and you'll definitely want to have it when you get to the embroidery and you're changing colors for each of your embroidery design.